Hello everyone, my name is Glyzel Pelago, BSIT2C, and I am here today to present
This is my
final
presentation.
my
So
data set.
my title of my data set is Percentage of Brand Phone Models. So here is my code. The input, we have Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Redmi Note, and Google. So this is my pie chart. We have Samsung, Vivo, Realme, Apple, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Nokia, Oppo, and those are the percentage that the most people buys. So this is my scatter plot. So relationship between battery capacity and the price. There's 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, the battery capacity and the price. Another scatter plot for the relationship between screen size and price. The price and the screen size. And last, this is my heat map.